So yeah, we are back yet again. I don't know why, but I'm having kind of fun in this. I'm doing it. Yeah, it's like this that once there was my friend in I think 10th standard, and I was calling him. We were initially talking about something, I think math question or something. He was also very good in studies, so yeah, he was very good friend of mine. So I was calling him, and I just had this kind of mischief that he was, I think, studying or something, and I was still, after every 2 minutes I was calling him. Later on we chatted about it and said that he, after some time, he was waiting for my call. So it's like this. Once uh, you do something and then you start repeating it, sometimes it becomes funny. So it's like this. I made the solutions on the behalf or demand of some people, and then I kind of thought it was fun. So yeah, that's that's enough of nonsense. So we were, you know, okay, now the next thing is I'm continuing from this after this. Suppose we start uh, para paragraphs. So this is the most easiest probably. P, and then actually in Sublime, when you, after writing the first tag, when you enter the tab, automatically this will get displayed. Then you go here and tap a return key. So it will be something like this. You can also do something like this, that P, then again on the next line you write like this, but it doesn't make sense. This style is better, like you're writing the head and body tag. That is. Now inside this you can write multi-line comment, not comment technically, tag, not even tag, multi-line text basically inside this. Yeah, that is. So yeah, suppose in Sublime Text, if you are there, I think Locus, no, not Locus, Lorem, Lorem. If you write and press the return key, then multi-line text will be displayed, which is sample text. And when you will see the text, it will have its default style, the cascading style of its own, with its text size and all that. And yeah, so suppose you do like this, P, then lorem. This was written before lorem, so lorem, enter, and then you repeat this again below it. So there were 6 headers in the body portion of the web page, and then below it there will be this kind of block. This is, the paragraph will be like a block, and then we wrote it 2 times, so again the same kind of block of the same paragraph, the sample paragraph will be there, and it will be automatically in a new line. The BR tag, that is, will be automatically there with some this distance as EM distance of the M distance kind of. This is the kind of unit like pixels and all in the CSS, the cascading uh, spreadsheet and all. So yeah, something like that is there. And obviously if you will write the between header 1 and header 2 the some paragraph, then it will be displayed here below it. Then you can also put some bullets and all that we will see and all. That's about it for this video.